takes it one step further. It's all about measuring 3D objects with depth, rectangular, parallelepiped, pyramid, and cylinder.
One practical use of the circle is in designing circular gardens, fountains, or even traffic runabouts. Just like this one, understanding the circle's area and perimeter helps planners to estimate materials like tiles and fencing. Circular designs are also safer and more ergonomic. They remove sharp corners, allowing smoother movements for vehicles, which reduces its risk of accidents.
Rectangles are everywhere, in walls, floors, windows, and desks. They are easy to measure and construct, making them ideal for interior planning and construction. Rectangles help maximize usable space. They align easily with walls and other surfaces area, creating neat and functional areas that support efficient movement and storage.
Pyramid are used architectural figures like skylights and rooftops. Their structure help in calculating materials need, ensuring solid foundation. A pyramid with base and slope side that provide balance and stability, making it resilient to external force like wind, rain. This shape is naturally strong and minimize stress, structural joint. Cylinders are common in water tanks, gas containers, and canned goods. Knowing their volume helps determine how much they can store effectively. Cylindrical shapes are ergonomic because they distribute pressure evenly and are easier to grip and clean. These shapes makes them more durable under internal pressure.
Rectangular parallelepiped is the most practical shape in packaging and storage. It helps us to determine how much space is available and how items can be arranged. This shape stacks perfectly, reducing wasted space. Its straight sides also make it easier to lift, carry, and label. Important in warehouses and delivery systems.
And that's the beauty of Mensuration. It's not just about solving problems, it's about making life work better. Thank you for watching.